Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start the Face ID setup now, so remove anything blocking your face and set the phone in portrait. Hold the device roughly 10 to 20 inches away so the camera sees your whole face. That distance balances focus and recognition. Make sure the light is even front-facing or ambient window light works best, and avoid strong backlight. Once you see the oval on screen, relax your face, keep your head centered, and begin the first, scan slowly and deliberately. Now continue by following the on-screen prompts. Move your head slowly to allow the camera to capture multiple angles. You'll start neutral, then perform a second scan with minor expressions like a small smile. This helps Face ID learn subtle variations. Make sure to rotate your head about 15 to 30 degrees left and right as instructed so the system records side profiles. Maintain consistent distance and avoid sudden jerks. Smooth, controlled movements give the best data for reliable recognition. Finish the process by completing both required scan passes and wait for the confirmation that Face ID is enrolled. Once done, lock your device and test unlocking in different lighting and angles to verify consistency. If recognition struggles, try these fixes. Clean the true depth camera, remove obstructions, or re-enroll with a slight variation in head tilt. If problems persist, reset Face ID and repeat the enrollment from scratch, making sure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.